Okay, you're going to need to get Visual Studio Code. And you can click on the link in the assignment and get the appropriate run for whatever you're using. I don't support Linux. It's fine if you have it. If you want to use it, I can't help you with it. So you'll select either Windows or Mac, download it, and install it. You should be able to do that once you've got it installed, which is basically just following the directions. This is what you'll see when you first open it. Now, you can choose to see this welcome page or not on startup. I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to close this, though you should go through, learn the fundamentals. I'm actually going to leave this here. This is a good resource. I use GitHub Copilot. I'll be teaching that to you later in the semester. I will overview it. It is a monthly cost. You do not need to buy it, but I will demo it for you later in the semester. Along the left-hand side, you have several icons. This icon is your File Explorer. This is a Find option, which will help you find, replace things in your files. We have Source Control that works with GitHub. We'll work with that later in the semester. You'll learn the debugging tools later in the semester, but there are some extensions that I want you to use. I use Prettier, which is a code formatter. And it's telling me to reload it because it just did some updates with it. And ProDeployer I use, we'll address that a little bit later. Open in Browser is one that I want you to use. So we have Open in Browser. The other one I also like to use is Open in Default Browser on my computer. That gives you Chrome. So you find the extension you want, you hit install. These are all really simple ones to work with. So those are the ones that you should have installed right away.